We wrote it quite recently and we're going to play it if that's cool. And it comes down to this. Now, don't see this as an Oprah Winfrey self-righteous fucking lecture or anything. But I have an opinion, I think we all have it, that the reason the world is kind of slightly fucked at the moment is because of one thing. One little thing. Camera phones. And it's not, let me explain. When I was 16 years of age, my job was to fuck up. That's what every 16-year-old, you're meant to fuck up. From 15 to 18, you're meant to do all the crazy stupid shit. You're not meant to have it documented and put it online so everyone can see it for the rest of the time. And your employers in 20 years time going, he has all the credentials, the CV's amazing, but he pissed all over a car outside a cop shop and we're not hiring him. So that's the opinion of this song. So I'm thinking, young people are meant to fuck up. They are, like, that's their job. I'm not young anymore. So I kind of feel they have a right to, or else they'll never learn. So I don't think it's cool that everything they do has to be documented like it's a fucking TV show. So we wrote a song. I'm going to give you one clue. If you can guess the name of the song, it's free drink for the night. You've one go. What's it called? No, that's the song. The Perfect in Paper. It's coming, but it's not. I think you should give her a drink anyway. I think she should get a drink. Liam, get that lady a drink. So, the song, it's not subtle. It's called The Inventor of the Camera Phone is Going to Hell. And it's chunky. Oh yeah.
Is in your hands, the burden of a boy band. Take a joke in the presence of a policeman that goes down like a notorious madman. All humans with a story to tell. There are some subhumans with a story to sell. Tell rooms like a prison cell. The inventor of the camera phone is going to hell. Whoa.
the irony that you were filming that in your phone, but it's all good. So if there is anyone here who's still young, you're lucky, but fuck up, fuck everybody, do mad shit, that's what you're meant to do. It's alright for a bit of a dance.